How to file prior year taxes with TurboTax. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up the official website of TurboTax, then go to this section of support. Over here, you would be able to find the option of file a prior year's taxes. Simply select this particular option and wait for it to load. Over here, you can select whether you want to file for 2021 or 2020 or 2022. Just select it accordingly. After that, you can select a particular plan according to your needs and requirements. And after that, you would be able to file the taxes quite easily. Just fill the information as transparently as possible, and this way you would be able to fill the taxes. The other way is that you can simply open up the IRS website. Over here in the search results, simply search for prior year tax forms or prior year forms, then select this particular option and scroll down. Here you get the option of form 1040 for 2022, 2021, and there are some other forms as well. Just select any particular form according to your taxability, and this way you would be able to file the forms or the tax for any prior year. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.